CEO Cardano said Ada new project will kill BTC. As for the value of the coin itself, there is a bit of bad news. On the 18th of November, the cost of Cardano fell by 2.96% and the value of tokens at the moment is $1.8177. Hello everyone and welcome to the Crypto Lib channel. If a couple of weeks ago the Bitcoin price forecast was $50,000, it seemed somewhat unrealistic. Today the rate has already risen more than $48,000. The closer that cherished level is, the stronger the belief in a full-fledged market reversal. But look what happens to the Cardano price. In this video, you will analyze all this and answer the questions asked, so do not switch, put likes and subscribe to the channel, and we are starting. Growth by 50% in a week, and it may very well be that this is not the limit, because the project may cost many times more. It is the Charles Hoskinson platform that will be discussed in this video. Let's discuss why Cardano is shooting right now. And we will analyze the forecasts for further changes in their course. This happened, so I will not drag out the intrigue for a long time. I will say right away that after Cardano released a smart contract on September 12th and the owner said that things will now go uphill, this is really true, because after this date, Cardano critics can no longer say that their block does not work. Now it will be possible to launch centralized DeFi exchanges, blockchain services, and even games. Anything that is created using smart contracts. Many projects are already in line and waiting for this date. So in addition to the growth of Cardano itself, we may soon see a boom in tokens based on this cryptocurrency. The market was waiting for exactly this, which is clearly seen by the price of the coin, which has already risen to the place of the top 3 cryptocurrencies by capitalization, and judging by this price chart, it may soon finally take this place. Against the background of the current explosive growth, many traders and analysts said that this is just the beginning of a big movement, so David Lark gave a number of arguments in favor of growth prices after the launch of smart contracts. He noted that he would be glad to see 50x as it was with the Polygon project, even 6x will suit him, so that Cardano catches up with Ethereum in capitalization. This will not necessarily happen immediately according to analysts. In the case of a successful launch of the update, the growth for the first time against the background of the growth of Cardano usage will be a couple of 100%, that is, its forecast is a level of $3 to $4 per coin. In the near future, about $12 in the medium term. Another well-known trader and analyst in the English-speaking society, Aaron Arnold, predicted that for the Cardano of the current maximum price in the coming weeks, according to his logic, it will again come to $2.50. They will account for another 14% increase in current values. This is only a short-term prospect before further, even greater growth. In his video, he quotes developers who confirm what I said earlier. It is with the launch of smart contracts that the first decentralized applications will be deployed immediately. Moreover, by this time the necessary tools for rapid development and launch of new projects will be created. And one more forecast for Cardano from an anonymous analyst. He states that Charles Hoskinson threw a bomb. They actually have a fixed date for the inclusion of smart contracts in Cardano. Now people will start using Ada to access the wild universe, which exists at the top of the gimbal. You and I already know what kind of bomb we are talking about. In total, everyone recommends keeping a close eye on Cardano in the near future. Friends, what I personally think about this I will tell you in the final part of the video. Do not switch. According to their plan, in the long term, from 6 months or more, I allow the Cardano to grow from $4, perhaps even up to $6. To adjust this forecast for stronger growth, but time must pass for this. It is necessary to understand and evaluate the real demand for blockchain projects based on them, as well as their quality, and there may still be a problem of inflated expectations, because Cardano is not the first killer of Ethereum. Others have already started and are working, but they could not get around Vitalik Buterin. According to the innovations of the near future, the first goal is of course $2.50 to cover the current maximum. Next, we take a rate of $3. It will depend not only on time, but also on the entire market as a whole. The growth is largely dictated by the recovery of Bitcoin, which again decided to knock on the door with the inscription $50,000. A strong level in terms of resistance. We also had growth for 4 weeks in a row. This has already happened twice this year. Week 5 was corrective. If this story repeats, the decline of Bitcoin will affect the entire market or at least slow down, and as a maximum it will send Cardano to correction, and the cryptocurrency itself now looks very overbought. According to the Relative Strength Index, the coin has been in this zone for several days now, so personally, in my opinion, the market can still give us a price of $2, even at $1.80, the overall growth, and then Bitcoin will be under threat, friends. It seems that the development of the Cardano network is bearing fruit, since as of November 18th, the network recorded a transaction volume of $18.24 billion and took second place after Bitcoin. These are the data of Cardano Daily. Apparently, this achievement should be attributed to the update of the Cardano smart contract, which allowed developers to create applications with advanced capabilities on the blockchain. So far, Ethereum is the dominant network offering smart contract functions. It seems that even Charles Hoskinson, CEO of the Cardano IOHK developer company, is surprised by this event. As the great philosopher Robert Downey said, "Success is the top of a skyscraper, in which you move up a steep staircase and down a high-speed elevator." This is exactly what can be said about Charles Hoskinson, because he showed like no one else that you can succeed if you believe and make every effort in your business. And what do you think, ladies and gentlemen? Will Cardano take the big peaks? Let's discuss this in the comments. Of course, Cardano is a very strong and reliable currency. Personally, I don't think you need to worry about the fact that it may collapse one day. Therefore, if you have the desire and the opportunity to try yourself on the crypto market, then think about it, because if you are realistic, then the future is behind the virtual currency, because humanity is developing over the years, and technology along with them. Who knows what will happen tomorrow? And for that, thanks to everyone who stayed with us until the end. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Bye to everyone.